Hey, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I'm finishing up a project here, well, really working on a project for my wife as a gift for Valentine's Day here. I'm going to make a heart candle holder. I got 26 inches of 1/4 inch round stock. I just marked the middle, and let's get started. Alright, so this first step here, I need to make a full loop on at the middle to sort of be the actual candle holder itself. This is a little warm though. It's interesting, one side is perfectly cool, the other side is quite warm. Fortunately, next heats should go faster. So reheat that. I need to get basically I need to make these two ends cross to make a loop big enough to hold this candle. We'll get it back in the heat. Alright, next round of bending here. It's actually going pretty well. How hot is this? There. That's the idea, at least. I'm just going to flatten this down a little. Alright, so that's the idea. Now I just got to heat that whole thing so I can expand it out a little bigger. Actually, that's pretty close. But time for another heat. So you can see it finally started getting too hot for me to do too much by hand here. But God, I'm trying to fix the bottom. I ended up messing up the heart. It was so perfect, and now it's just okay. So, what do I need to do here? I don't even know. I'm not even sure. I need to push this whole thing that way, really, but maybe, you know what, maybe I can get away by just narrowing that a little. Let's try that first. Let's try that. Alright, good. We're still good. Okay. Okay, what am I doing here? Oh, it was so good, and I messed with it. Now it's not great. Well, I gotta kill the fan here. There, okay. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bend the candle holder part. I'm gonna do that. So it needs to hold this. Okay, so I'm gonna heat this. I'm gonna pull these two apart to to tighten that up a little. Then I'm going to bend it and go from there. Maybe that's a dumb idea, but it's what I'm going to do. Okay. Pull these apart a bit. Now, we're going to just go... not like that. That didn't gonna work. How do I want to do this? I think I need to use the vise. I think that's what I'm gonna do. It's way over on the other side of my shop. I'm not sure I'm gonna move the camera, but I'm gonna clamp this. I'm gonna heat it up again. Clamp this in the vise to right about there, and then bend it over. Yep. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. And it'll either work or it won't. Alright, that actually turned out okay. Might not look like it from that angle, but... So there's that, which my candle will fit in. It isn't perfect, but it's alright. So I'm going to heat this up one more time, the ring, hammer it flat. Then I'm going to heat up the two parts of the heart and twist them over. And then I think we're done. So let me get the holder hot one more time. And I think we're close. Hammer? There. Go. Now, for the heart. Alright, bend these in. And down. Okay. Now I need to bend out a little. Actually, I can probably do that on the... Okay. So now I need to heat the base. Actually, yeah. Heat the base up enough to bend them out, and then we're going to call it done, whether it's done or not. But yeah, it'll be good. Okay. Right. Now bend these out. There we go. Bring this one down a little. And then try to even these. There. That's pretty good. It's a little heavy to the left. So, okay. I'm so close to done. I just need to flatten out the base here a little more. So heat the bottom ring up one more time. The heart, I think, looks great. Very happy with that. Let me gauge. Is this going to fit in my... Yep, I think it'll even fit in my little quench tub. It will in fact hold the candle I'm looking to use. Oh, we are so close to done. Heat the base up, flat level it out, and we're golden. All right, let's see if that bottom's hot enough. Ah, beautiful. Okay. In. Stand on its own. I want it to stand on its own. That's the thing. I mean, it's meant to hang, so I guess maybe it doesn't matter. But that's what I'd like it to do, so I might as well make it so it does. There. Okay. We'll give it a brush. Punch it in some oil for a nice black coat. And then we're good. All right. Okay. Just gonna give it one more good heat up. I'll move the camera so you can see it go in the oil. And then we'll see if she likes it. Alright, so I've got it just laying on top of the coal in the forge. I don't want it red hot, just black hot. I think we're good. I'm going to turn off the forge. We'll give it a dunk. Ooh. And then we'll see how we did. It was a little too tall, so I had to flip it there. I don't know if you saw that or not, but also didn't sizzle as much as I'm used to, so it looks like it's almost more of a light blue coat than sort of the black I've had in the past, but that's alright. I guess it's okay to not have a black heart. So, alright. I'm going to pull it up, clean off the oil, and then we'll see if she likes it.
Aww, you made a heart-shaped candle.